Apamakali ko Nedjo, Kapampangan represent! Hi guys, it's Mommy Joyce, and it feels like just yesterday when I attended my first cook event. And now, here we are. This year's Team Likha Klook Awards Night 2025. Ito yung araw na wala mo nang mag-travel dahil magmi-meet ang mga Klook creators. Iilan sa mga na-meet ko ay si Miss Bernadette Reyes, Jax Reyes, Archie Larga, Marvin Samaco, Main Ibernas, Ran Garaway, Flo Kainglet, Justin C, Doc Sammy, JM Bangkisyo, and the OG, The Poor Traveler. And syempre, yung mga BFF ko sa Klook, si Ichi, Den, Karen, Kay, Kerry, Luisa, Travel Lori. And most especially, my first family sa Klook, Klook Ad Family. And lastly, si Bea and DG. Di ko alam paano tatapusin to, so...
Those, my mommy from home. Mommy Joyce Klook. Barik. Kebarik. Common, ekebarik.